Hey everyone, okay, so it's nighttime. I've just had a shower. I have bright red ears. Somebody's going to screen grab that. And I wanted to talk to you about this product because it's a really good product, but the hyperbole, and you probably already know which brand I'm just going to speak about when I mention the word hyperbole, is off the charts insane. And this is a really good product. So the product I'm talking about is Collagen Superfusion Facial Oil by the one and only Charlotte Tilbury. Now, this is facial oil, and I can say it's a really good facial oil. It's pretty expensive, but it is really, really good. It really does hydrate the skin. The skin feels so smooth and soft after it. It just feels great on the skin. The only issue I have with the product is the hyperbole that comes with it, because it is now becoming the norm for things to be even more extreme than the last launch and the last launch. And this one is truly off the charts. Let me just read to you the booklet, pamphlet of what you can expect to achieve with this oil. Your skin, the skin looks 389% more radiant. 389%. Is that even possible? 337% smoother. Or skin appears smoother. We've then got skin appears more even by 367%. And skin feels 310% firmer. There's 206% more hydration in 1 hour. An oil will do that for you. The skin looks, the visibility of wrinkles is reduced by 80%. And finally, redness is reduced by 74%. I'm just going to add that up. So that is 1,763% with this product. It is mad, and I honestly believe if the pamphlet had just said the skin looks smoother, it looks more radiant, it feels firmer, it feels incredibly moisturized, I think there would be the assumption that we would believe that, as opposed to when we see the percentages, which are just, they're mind-blowing. I'm not a mathematician by any stretch of the imagination, but I don't understand how anything can be more than 100%. I realize that obviously things can be, but I just don't get it. I really don't. And I honestly believe that this would sell really well without all this. Now, clearly their marketing strategy works because they're selling massive amounts of products, but it doesn't work for me. And the reason it doesn't work is because I don't believe those statistics. But I do believe that this oil can and will make your skin feel a lot softer. It absolutely reduces the appearance of wrinkles because it's an oil and it is incredibly emollient. And dry skin looks more wrinkled. Moisturized skin that's plump looks less wrinkled. Now, it has a whiff to it. It reminds me of a muted down version of Bobbi Brown, you know, with the lavender. Now, long gone are the days where I care about those kind of oils, but each to their own. It does have a whiff to it. There is no doubt it's on the essential oil side. It has lavender, rose, neroli, damask rose, and eucalyptus in it as well, which, as most people will know who care about those kind of things in skincare ingredients, they're not beneficial to the skin. But everybody reacts differently. Personally, for myself, I no longer care. This scent isn't overwhelming for me that I could not use this product. I don't have anything on my skin here. I've done my usual nighttime routine, and believe it or not, you might be able to tell because of the shine, I use this. I used 3 drops and just massaged it all over my face about an hour ago. Now, I don't think, maybe you can tell me, but I don't think that 80% of my wrinkles are gone or even appear to be gone. I don't think that's the case. I really don't. But my skin does feel beautifully moisturized and it feels good. And this is a great product. If it's in your price bracket, it's £60 for 30 mils. Granted, you need a few drops, so it will last you a very long time, but it is an expensive item for essentially, you know, what is just an oil. Now, there are a load of oils in here: avocado oil, olive oil, raspberry seed oil, blueberry seed oil, evening primrose oil, the list goes on. And then there's the collagen thing where they've got a made up name. and a whole other host of words that I can't pronounce, let alone read. But as I said, it's a great product. I'm really pleased I have it. I will use it and I will repurchase it. It is a great product, but it just needs to stop with all that hyperbole because it's too much. And personally for me, it's too overwhelming and it puts me off a product that is a very good product that I may not try because there's just too much nonsense that goes with it. Even the packaging is just plastered with the percentages. Maybe it's just me. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about it. I'll leave a link. If you really want to try it, trust me, it's really, really nice on the skin, really nice. But, you know, nonsense. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.